Hello and welcome back again. So if you know me, you know I love self-care. I have a whole small business dedicated to self-care. So I'm pretty obsessed. So I thought today we could unbox some self-care items together. And I'm so happy because we are unboxing the best. Filter by Molly-Mae. I just love how they've expanded into not only tan but like self-care items. And it just gives the most aesthetic luxury vibes and I just love it. So let's start. They're actually pretty heavy, so should we start with the big one? Let's start with the big one. I have actually already opened it there because I did a little TikTok YouTube short unboxing it, but ta-da! Already obsessed. Within the box there's another box. So exciting. I'm too excited over this. Honestly, look at this. It's their iconic brown drinking flask. I love this colour. It is so aesthetic. It comes with this very sturdy straw and then this little top of it. How cute is that? I literally want to take this on holiday with me. I want to take it everywhere. I love it. Do you see what I mean? How they're expanding out of just tan. I think it's so clever that they got these, and I've seen like loads of people with these as well, so they're clearly doing well and I'm so happy I've got one. So that's the first item, and then more from the big box. Let's have a look. We have got, oh my gosh, how cute are these? I am such a scrunchy girl, and look, we have got two of their silk scrunchies. Oh my gosh, these feel so soft. They are amazing. I'm gonna put them on now. I love the aesthetic. I love the vibe. Look at that. So cute. Perfect to tie your hair up while you're having your tan night. Oh my gosh, I just love them. They feel like such good quality as well. And then finally from the big box, this is really heavy. We have got the Spritz Me Face and Body Tanning Water. I have really wanted to try this for ages. It sounds so simple and easy. You just spray it all over your body and then I think you can just like rub it in with a mitt and it works the same as a tan, but just sounds so easy. Oh my gosh, it's a very luxury bottle. Wow, I cannot wait to try this. This is so exciting. I've heard it's also really good for topping up your tan as well. So that's that. And then in the other box, proper self-care stuff. This, are you ready? We have got the little duo of the body polish, which you use first. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this. I can already smell it. Wow. Oh, that smells like pure luxury. I'm so excited to use that. It says here it exfoliates, softens and smooths skin all in one. So this is like the perfect thing to use before your little tan routine. And then it says after using this, to use the body cream that we have here. The Molly-Mae aesthetics are so good. Everything just smells so nice. And this says that it can really help your tan to last longer. So I'm keen to try this one as well. Oh, I've got it all over me. I'm gonna rub it in now. Oh my God, that actually feels so nice. I just had that little bit on my hand. That is so soft. Oh, I'm gonna have the best self-care night. So there are all my self-care items from Filter by Molly-Mae. I'm gonna have the best self-care night. I can't wait, and finish it off waking up with a nice glowy tan. Thank you so much to Filter for sending me these goodies. This has made my week. I've been such a fan of Filter since it began and I'm so excited to just level up my self-care with all these products. I will leave a little code in the description as well that gives you 10% off so you can get some of these goodies and pamper yourself as well because you deserve it. Let me know your self-care go-tos, your self-care favorites, what your self-care routine's like. I just always want to talk all things pampering, self-care, aesthetics, and that literally to me is Filter. Don't forget to prioritize your self-care. It is so important. Let me know if you have any other like self-care recommendations or any other kind of self-care videos you want to see. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.